Have you ever dropped your car off to get your windows tinted and wondered how the process goes? Are you a struggling window tinter that just can't shrink a back window to save your life? Then you don't want to miss this video. Now, taking your dryer sheet, rub the back window back and forth as if you were cleaning the back window. Now, after a few minutes, you'll start to see a haze appear on the back window. That's letting you know you're ready to lay the film out on the glass. But first, take a wet paper towel and form an H pattern on your back glass. This is how and where the tint grabs the glass for a starting point to shrink from. Then take your favorite hard card of choice and recreate that same H pattern, pushing from the center, working out. Now, you definitely don't want that heat gun too close to your back window. And you definitely don't want to be shrinking too fast. It's a good way to mess up your film quickly. Now, if you're watching this to learn the basics, you can start at any point of the back window and start shrinking your fingers. Now, if you're watching this for entertainment purposes only, stick around. I promise you the video does get better. Now, this top portion is much easier to do when the back window doesn't have this top visor, but this one's not too bad. As you can see, the fingers are just about shrunk, and we're almost ready for the next step. Now, for you installers, this is the point where it starts to get a little tricky, a little sketchy. Don't rush yourself. Take your time.
Woo! Sometimes it happens.
Now when I'm going to install a back window, I will always clean my back windows twice. Especially when the car is older, you definitely want to do that extra step. Now what you guys aren't seeing is that I have a huge bath towel down on the back deck of this vehicle, catching any water that's dripping down. You'll always want to have the utmost respect for clients' vehicles. Treat it as if it was your own. Unless, of course, you're whistling diesel. Then don't treat it like that. And if you've made it this far into the video, I hope you've learned something, or at least were entertained. But no, seriously, if you've made it this far into the video, drop me a comment, smash that like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.